Okay, thank you for the opportunity to do this presentation. We have nothing to disclose. So I have to present to you the results of the FUSE evaluation project in France. So as you know, there is a lack of knowledge concerning the use of surgical energy in the operating room. And the FUSE program was proposed by the FCVD, Fédération de Chirurgie Viscérale et Digestive, since 2016 in collaboration with CEGES. And this educational course includes e-learning and hands-on workshops. The FCVD, Fédération de Chirurgie Viscérale et Digestive, is approved by the High Authority for Health in France as it is in charge of the continuing medical education and of the certification of digestive surgeon in France. And we are also responsible for the safety management. Certification is a feedback-based voluntary risk management initiative. Surgeons report adverse events. These adverse events are analyzed by experts. They are validated, they are anonymized and stored in a database. After this, these adverse events are analyzed and they can produce guidelines, recommendations, and surgeons has to implement these guidelines. So in fact, it's a quality management program, and doctors take part in the activities of their specialty safety improvement programs. Concerning the use of energy devices in the operating room, we have 876 events reported between 2009 and 2015, and 70% were due to monopolar instrumentation, 16% to tissue sealing devices, 8% to ultrasonic devices, and 4% to bipolar instrumentations. And the consequences of these adverse events may be very serious. We have observed fires in the operating room, installation failures, 16%, skin burns, but also visceral injuries, which may be very serious for the patients if they are not recognized in due time. So the aim of the present study was to evaluate the impact of the FUSE program by two tools. The first one was a questionnaire. It's derived from the CEGES FUSE evaluation project. And the second tool was a knowledge test comprised of 18 questions. And these two questionnaires were sent to 485 surgeons who completed the FUSE program between May 2016 and May 2018. Concerning the FUSE evaluation project, we have 63% of response, and the 6 questions were the following. The first one was, the FUSE course taught me valuable information about electrosurgery, and as you can see, the vast majority whether agree or strongly agree. The second question was, as a result of learning the FUSE material, I will change how I use energy devices in the operating room. The third question was, did you recommend this program to your colleagues? And the vast majority responded yes. The next question was, the concepts I learned are important for all surgical trainees. Then we ask, have you witnessed an adverse events in your surgical, have you already seen these adverse events? And they report yes. And the last one was the FUSE program has a potential to improve patient safety. So you can see to this 6th question, the percentage of yes was between 83 and 90%. So there is a large positive appreciation of this program. We have added to this questionnaire 4 additional questions, and 86% of surgeons say that this program achieves its educational objectives. 24% want to repeat the new modules regularly. 20% have completed both e-learning and hands-on workshops, and half want to complete the e-learning by hands-on workshops. Concerning the knowledge test, as you can see, there is a significant improvement between the pre-course score and the post-course score. And if we repeat this knowledge test 6 months after the end of the program, you can see there is a decrease in the score. But when the surgeon has done the workshop, the score was better. So in conclusion, there is clearly a lack of knowledge concerning the use of energy devices in the operating room, responsible of significant but underestimated morbidity. There is a need for initial and continuous education, and the FUSE program was strongly appreciated and very useful for the surgeons. Thank you for your attention.